Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate how to backup an Exchange database and restore it using Windows Server Backup and Restore feature. This will include backing up a database, restoring it, and after restore, we'll analyze the header of the database file, and then finally we'll perform a soft recovery. So let's get started. This is Exchange Server 2013 box, and I have already enabled Windows Server Backup and Restore feature on this server. Using this, we are going to back up a database and then we are going to restore it. So let's first back up a database and try to restore it. So in order to back up an Exchange database, we need to go to the Windows Server Backup and Restore, and then choose Backup once, and then we will select Custom because we will not back up this entire server, just the database location. So we are going with Custom. Now in this screen, we'll select the item where the database is located. So in my setup, it is on default location, which is C program files, Microsoft Exchange Server, and then mailbox. Under that, I have this database DB2 which has some data in it. So I'm going to back up this DB2. In advanced settings, we need to select VSS full backup. Once the folder scope has been selected, we will proceed with the next step, which is to provide the shared location or the location where we want to keep it. So I have created a shared location on domain controller, and so I will back up this database to that particular location. And for the access control, I have selected do not inherit it. So which means only this administrator will be able to access that backed up file and use it. Backup has started, so let's wait. Database has been backed up completely, so we'll close this and we'll go to the shared location and verify if there is anything. So this is domain controller where I have the shared folder. Inside it we have a database backup under this folder. So we are good with that part. From from Exchange Server 2013, now we will go ahead and restore using the same console. We'll click on recover and then select this option, a backup stored on another location, and then provide it with the location. Choose the time performed when we backed up this database. So it has a last backup available from today 9:02 a.m. So we are going to restore this one. And what to recover? We want to recover files and folders, everything. We will navigate it to the location what we want to restore. So select the database name and proceed. Now here we want to restore it to local server under restore folder, and then choose next and recover. Restoring the database task has been completed. Now we will go ahead and verify if we have all the files that we need in order for us to work on this database. So we have the exact same structure of files and folders for that particular database. Now we will, as planned, we will look into the header of this particular database. So to check the header of the database, the command is escutil mh db2.edb, the database file name. So we have successfully recovered the Exchange server database backup, and we have restored it, and we've also verified, looked into the header of the database file. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Do like this video and share it with your friends. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. We'll wrap up this video for now, and we'll come back again with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.